Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Pulse 3D headset to any Android or iOS smartphone. Let's get started. All you need is a Lightning to USB adapter for iOS, and for Android users they need an OTG adapter. This OTG adapter can be Type-C to USB or micro USB to USB, it depends on which kind of phone do you have, and you can connect it simply to your phone. I'm using this one for my phone, which is Type-C to USB adapter. Because this headset is using Wi-Fi connection for wireless connecting, you can't connect it to your phone without this wireless adapter. Let me show you. This wireless adapter here, you need to connect this one to your phone so you can connect your headset wirelessly to your phone. And I'm using this one, which I will show you, so it can be connected very easy. But if you want to connect it with Bluetooth, it's not gonna work like that. So you need to connect this wireless adapter to your phone by using this converter. So you need to connect it to the converter which you are using for your phone, so you can connect this wireless adapter to your phone. Right after you connect it, you will see there is an icon for headset, so you can understand this is connected to your phone. Even if your headset is off, it will show the icon on your phone. And all you need to do right now is to turn your Pulse 3D headset on. Once it connects to the adapter, you can use it for listening to audio or music wirelessly. What I noticed by doing this, even if your phone has iOS jack, because some phones have iOS jack, my phone has it too, the difference is when you are using this USB adapter, the audio quality is quite better. You can feel it. It's much more quality when you are listening to a music or playing some games. It is much better than using the iOS port on your phone. And if you don't have iOS port on your phone, so you don't need it anymore. Maybe my phone isn't good on iOS, but I can assure you at least that the wireless quality on a smartphone is really good. It's actually, I can say, amazing. Even better than the PS4 right now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to know how to charge your Pulse 3D headset, I recommend you to watch this video from here. I will show you how to charge it and extend battery life duration for your headset. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you in next one.